Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey garlic wings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your chicken has been cleaned and thoroughly dried. Now season your chicken with the salt and pepper. Now add the garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, then mix until each piece is well coated. Place your wings on a wire rack, then transfer to your preheated oven. Allow your chicken to bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove your wings from the oven and set them aside. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add your water, soy sauce, and honey. Add the garlic, ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, then mix until well incorporated. Allow your sauce to reduce until your desired consistency has been reached. Coat your wings with the sauce, and then they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To